Take two.
Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Yeah.
Hello roomies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about a wig that I purchased with my own coin. Before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you are a new watcher. And if you enjoyed my videos in this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can have a personal invitation into my room. And let's get right into it. So the wig that I purchased was from AliExpress. As you all know, all the hair that I purchased, even this one on my head currently, is from AliExpress. I don't really go to the, big name hair companies because I feel as if I can get the same quality of hair for a lower price. So the name of the company was RXY Hair. I'm not sure if it's pronounced RXY or Roxy, and they were trying to be, fancy with their name. If you see me looking down, I do have some notes here on my desk. So let's go ahead and start out with communication. So before I even decided to, purchase this wig, I contacted Yvonne, which is the individual I spoke with, and I asked her tons and tons of questions from, I believe, because initially I wanted to purchase 20 inches of hair, but I ended up getting 18. And I wanted to know how much it would be to increase the density and customize the cap size. And she provided with all the information, even though I felt as if I was nagging her, but she didn't seem like it. I'm just that kind of person when it comes to purchasing something. I want to make sure that I know all the ins and outs of the product that I'm getting before, wasting my money. So for communication, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Now for packaging. Okay, so this is what the package looked like when it was delivered. It came through FedEx, and my hand is here because this is where my information is, but it came through FedEx. It came exactly like this, all crumbled and whatnot. But let's go ahead and open up the hair. Now, originally, on AliExpress, it is a 150% density, but I wanted it a little bit more fuller, so I asked for 180% density. Opened it up. You see, this is, and I'm just greeted with a bag. Now, that is the first time ever when purchasing something from AliExpress that there is no hair care option. Well, no hair care instructions or recommendations. There's no gift. The wig didn't even come in a box. So to me, I would give that like a 2 out of 5, because I just felt like it wasn't cared for. Like, they just threw it in there and said, okay, she has her wig now. So on the bag at the bottom, it gives you what you purchased. I don't know if you can see that, but I purchased a lace front wig, 18-inch natural color, kinky curly. Let's take it out of the bag. Okay, and this is it. It has a net over it. Let's take the net off. If it will ever come off. Okay. Let's take the net off. And this is the wig. Now it says that this is 18 inches. You have a paper inside of it. 18 inches. The circumference of the cap is 22.5. It comes like that, 22.5. On the inside, it has, okay, so it has no combs on the inside, so you definitely will have to lay this down some way, somehow. But it does have an adjustable strap right here. Where is it? Yeah. It does have an adjustable strap. Everything just wants to be difficult. Okay. It does have an adjustable strap. So you have no combs, but you have an adjustable strap. Put these back. And if I'm sniffling, I apologize. So yeah, the hairline does not come plucked, but it does have baby hairs. So I would not recommend this to anyone that is a beginner at wigs, because you have to, or if you want it to look real and for it to come out as natural as possible, you're going to have to plug this. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But if you're that kind of person that wants to, you know, just slap the wig on the head, that's fine. That's fine. That's you. Do you, boo? So first and foremost, the hair is really soft. Really soft. It seems long for a 22 inch. I'm sorry, for a 18 inch. Placed up against my hair. Without stretching it out, it comes, when I'm sitting down, it comes right up under my breast. So it's pretty lengthy for a 22 inch. I know y'all really, some of y'all really do care about how it smells. It does have a chemical smell, but that's because they have to form these curls. So that's not really bad. Now let's get to the part that everybody wants to know. How much was it? Okay, so without increasing the density of the hair, it is $103, I believe. I can definitely go ahead and check. Let's see. So for 18 inch, yes, it is $103.83. But because I wanted to increase the density, my order came up to $136.63. Double check that. Yeah, $136.63, which isn't bad. This is my first time buying a curly wig, and I didn't want to spend too much money on it because I don't know if I'll be able to maintain it. I will try, but yeah, it came up to $136.63. That's because I increased the density to 180% because I wanted more fullness. Let's see. I stated that it was 18 inches. Original density was 150. Yes. Delivery time. Okay, so I made this purchase on March 5th. She did tell me because I was increasing the density, it'll be an extra 7 days to customize it, and then my order will be shipped out. So I purchased it on March 5th. I received it on March 14th, so that's 9 days, which still is not bad. That's just a week and 2 days. That's not bad. Delivery time, I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5. So that's a 4 out of 5 average. That's still not bad. I purchased this wig any day. But I will be doing a mini series, I guess, of me plucking the hairline, dyeing the wig, and washing it and styling it and all of that, just so you guys can see how the wig holds. I will also do an updated video a week to a month from now. I'm not sure. When I wear my wigs, I do wear them daily, so it's not like I take one wig off one day and I put the next wig on another day. I wear them daily. But I think that is all. So for this hair vendor, I give them a 4 out of 5, which is good, which is great compared to other AliExpress vendors. Is there anything else on here I want to talk about? Let's see the reviews on here. So out of 5 stars on here, they got 4.7 stars, which is great again. And the feedback was mostly good. So as of right now, off of first look, I suggest ordering this wig. There is no red flags here for me. I do plan on coloring the wig and putting my own little touch to it. But other than that, we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank you all so very much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Until next one. Bye.
Get a mirror because I go over there and put it on.
Ma, you have the mirror. I don't have the mirror.
I have this portion of the mirror.
I don't have nothing.
Okay, I use the camera because you're just being selfish.